Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy ETF on Robinhood app. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Robinhood app. Once you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Funds. So in order to buy ETFs, first of all, you need to go to the search bar. Here you can see the search icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now tap on the search bar. Now search for the ETFs that you are looking for. For example, I'll search for healthcare. In the search results, you'll see different options. Here you can see stocks and ETFs. You can choose your preferred ETFs. I'll choose the first one. When you tap on it, it will open up the graph of these funds. Here you can see the market fluctuation. You can even view within different timestamps. You can check further metrics over here. And once you are sure to buy these ETFs, here you can see the trade option at the bottom. Right now it is not clickable because my account is not verified yet. If you have a verified account, you will be able to tap on this trade option. You can simply tap on it and select the buy option. After that, you can enter the number of shares or the amount of money in order to buy these ETFs. So that's it. That's how you can easily buy ETFs on Robinhood app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.